Hey buds. Well, fall is sneaking up on us as it always does, so you're probably doing two things like me, and that means spending as much time outside and running around, doing road trips and all those kinds of things to enjoy the weather while we still have it, and also trying to preserve a bit of that harvest and whatever is still out here so that you can have it through the winter season. So today we have a very quick and super easy, it's hard to even call it a recipe, I think maybe we'll just say idea, that can help you out in both areas. So for your outdoor event or for your road trip, this is one way you can make a beverage using some of those preserves that you might have on hand. It's also a really great way to use things like jellies that didn't set. So here we have our elderberry syrup from the other day. Just put a little of that in there. And this one is a plum jelly. So put a little of that in there. There we go. And then we've got lime juice today. You can use a little lemon or whatever flavor combinations you want. But we're gonna pop a little of that in there. And give it a stir. In the case of the jelly, you might need to break it down a little bit, but it'll continue to melt into your drink. You also might want to use ice cubes to chill, or another good idea is frozen berries. They actually work really great for chilling your drink. I would have brought either one out to show you, but actually our freezer is a little trapped by our honey harvest. So today we're going without. Oop. But next up, you add some fizzy water. So that could be a flavored fizzy water or a seltzer club soda, something like that. And the other wonderful thing about this is that you can put a lid on it. So you can take it along with you or keep the bugs out of your drink. And it also helps with a little, you know, extra mixing too. So there you have it, a great way and a quick and easy, flavorful drink that you can have anytime and enjoy your fall. See you later, guys.